Hey everyone, welcome to our ultimate guide on how to use this website, the Clickup, for your marketing agency. So, either you are a solopreneur or a managing a team, this website, the Clickup, can streamline your workflows, enhance collaboration, and make project management a breeze. By the end of this video, you will know how to fully utilize ClickUp for your agency's needs. So let's start. First is of course you need to go to this website. What you need to do here is just to search for this one, the ClickUp, on your search field. So here, what you need to do here is to first set up your ClickUp workspace. So you'll be directed here to the dashboard of the ClickUp. As you can see here, there are different space here, and this is my space, the social media management. And on this side, guys, on this left side, you'll be able to see here some of your spaces. You can also create a folder here for your space here. So as you can see here, you'll be able to see my social media management in here. So here you can see here my first space here. So what you need to do here is, as you can see here, you need to tap on that plus add button. And here click the new page right beside the word spaces. You'll be able to see here the spaces settings, the search field, and then of course this button. And then tap on that one. So here, you need to set up your workspace. You need to start by creating a workspace for your agency. So here guys, by creating a space, this represents teams, departments, or groups, so each with its own list, workflows, and of course a settings here. So here guys, you can also invite your team members. You can simply head to the invite people option and enter the emails and assign roles admin member or guest. Here you can also add a description here. So you just need to write on this part guys, but this is just an optional guys, so depending on you still. So here you can also make it a private, so this means only you and your invited members have access on this workspace. But disclaimer guys, you can also choose a template guys connected to your, for example, that is the marketing agency. You can search here guys, a marketing agency. So here guys, in this website, organization is key. So here's how to structure your workspace effectively for a marketing agency. So create spaces for departments. For example, to that one is spaces act as the highest level of your organization. So for a marketing agency, you can create spaces like client projects, internal marketing, finance, or even HR. But in this tutorial, guys, we will be creating on our own. So we are gonna name this one marketing agency and then write again the description. So to set up your workspace, guys, you need to organize your campaigns, use advanced features to optimize your marketing efforts. So here guys, the first step is by creating a workspace. You'll be able to see here this one. So here guys, create a space for each member, and in a major area, your business like this one. Here, you'll be able to see here this subset excels at the collaboration. And right now guys, you'll be able to see here add tasks within your list, for example, under social media campaigns. So here guys, the first thing you need to do here by setting up your workspace, you need to choose here some required views. So depending on you, you just need to turn it on if you want to use that view. So you can also see here default view templates. Here, if you want to use a similar layout for all of your level, you can choose a template here. And right after you are done, you just need to click on that done button. And here, I'm gonna turn this table. I'm gonna turn that one on. And here guys is the task that it says. You can also edit here guys. So by changing the color, you can change it by tapping on that one and then choose your color depending on you. For example, that one is this one, or again that one. And here guys, if you are done, you just need to click on that button below. So here you can also choose this one, guys. So here, guys, after you are done, you just need to apply changes. And we all know, guys, that this website have a collaboration, which is you can assign tasks to team members, set due dates, and add priorities to ensure everyone knows their responsibilities. So I'm gonna show you how this one, guys. So you can also go here, for example, to that one is tap a view here. So here, this part is you can see here your recent open items, and then here is some of your added documents here. But let's try to go to your view part, guys. So here, guys, you can use the comment sections on tasks for real-time updates and discussions. And here, guys, ClickUp offers multiple views to track your work. So here are the top ones for marketing agencies. For example, the one is this list view. So this is very ideal for detailed to-dos. And then the board view, it is great for tracking workflows like a Kanban board. And here is the calendar view. It is perfect for planning, especially content schedules and launch dates. So you can use ClickUp dashboards, guys, to monitor your agency's performance, add widgets to track projects and team workloads, and of course the key metrics like ROI on campaigns or task completion rates. So here are some tips, guys, to maximize ClickUp for your marketing agency. So the templates guide, you can create reusable templates for recurring projects. And of course the documents, you can use ClickUp documents to store campaign briefs and meeting notes. And of course in the integrations, guys, you can connect ClickUp to tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Zapier to streamline communication and data sharing, guys. And that's a wrap on using this website, the ClickUp, for your marketing agency. With a bit of setup, this tool can transform how you manage projects, collaborate with your team, and deliver results for your clients. Don't forget to like, of course subscribe, and hit the bell for more productivity tips, and see you in the next video. Let me know, guys, if you'd like to tweak or expand any section. Thank you and goodbye. See you in my next video, guys. Don't forget, this is very important. Bye.